Soft and easy silhouettes are here to make spring dressing a breeze. Here are the must-have pieces you'll be wearing on repeat. You can't go wrong with the versatile shirt dress. The fabric is cool and lightweight. You can wear it anywhere. And the easy shape features a tie waist that flatters all body types. An instant classic you can dress up or down all season long.
This spring, a classic pony is great whether you're headed into the office or going out on the town for the evening. Texture Builder is my favorite product to use. It helps with this soft billowiness to the pony, as well as accentuates the soft, whimsical pieces around the face.
Coral is one of the hottest colors of the year. And a coral lip is the easiest way to try the trend because there's a shade of coral out there for everyone. Plus, it looks amazing with the chambray shirt dress because the lightness of the blue really amplifies and makes the color pop. So try a lightweight gel crayon. This is a really easy way to build a beautiful, juicy shine. This is just another really great example how one product can really amplify your look and take you from day to night. You look amazing.
Looking for a fresh way to wear florals? Try this punchy romper. It's everything you love about dresses, but with the freedom of pants. And the smocked waist is so flattering. Add a cute denim jacket, and you're ready for anything.
Whether your hair is curly or wavy, the possibilities are endless. Utilizing the Twist and Define gel, I'm taking individual sections of the hair to define and enhance the curl. So I'm going in and I'm just lifting and I'm just playing with it with my fingers as well and continue to accentuate every curl you see.
Radiant Sunkissed Skin is the perfect way to ease into spring. Warm up winter skin with warm bronze tones on the eyes and cheeks. You can start with a subtle glow by using softer shimmer shades or pump up the intensity with these metallics here. The best part is that this look looks great on everyone.
The wide leg pant is the must-have silhouette of the season. They're the perfect flowy alternative to denim, and the higher belted waist creates a great shape and lengthens your leg. Effortless and fun, yet so put together.
Waves are trendy and it's always fun for a nice spring outfit. I always want to make sure that I start off with nice, clean hair, and you can always build up the hair using our Sexy Hair Dry Shampoo or our Sexy Hair Powder Play to create some texture. From there, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use a 1-inch flat iron instead of a curling iron to create a nice wave and leave the ends out. To complete the look, I'm gonna finish off with our Sexy Hair Spray and Play. And from here, I just wanna run my fingers through the waves.
Blush Pink is a romantic, ultra-feminine shade that you can wear for spring. It's really easy to wear. All you have to do is take a little bit of a pearly pink cream shadow and apply it with the pad of your finger to the ball of the eyelid, and it'll give you a little bit of shine, and voila, you've added a dreamy hint of color for spring. So gorgeous, love that. Now pink is really great because it's a versatile color, it looks good on all skin tones and ages, and it brightens any complexion.